about 4.6 billion years ago. Long before life existed, a vast cloud of dust and gas floated through space. This cloud, known as a solar nebula, was the birthplace of our planet. Slowly, gravity pulled these tiny particles together. Piece by piece, they collided and fused, forming a young Earth, hot, glowing, and still growing. In its earliest days, Earth was a violent world. Its surface was covered in molten lava, while asteroids and meteorites crashed down relentlessly from space. As time passed, the planet began to cool. Heavy metals sank deep to form the core, while lighter materials rose upward, creating Earth's crust. Powerful volcanoes released gases that formed the early atmosphere. As temperatures dropped, rain fell for millions of years, filling the land and creating vast oceans. Gradually, Earth became stable. With oceans, air, and land in place, our planet was ready to support life, beginning a story that continues to this day.